Hello, this is Richard Wilson, CEO of the Family Office Club. Just wanted to record a short video here in New York City on a comment I heard Gary Vee say earlier today. He said that he loves things that are tedious because it means almost nobody's going to do them. And I thought about our space, the investment industry, multifamily offices, investment firms, and really I feel like we're always a decade behind on implementing new things. You know, webinars come out, thought leadership marketing becomes popular, social media becomes more popular, and it takes 5-10 years for the credible investment firms to be using those technologies to attract investors and source deals. And you don't have to be lightning quick. You can make sure it's right for you, that you're naturally able to incorporate such things. What I found is that since almost nobody does, you have a real marked advantage if you're just with the mainstream business and marketing flow of where business is going and you apply that to the investment industry. You have a real marked advantage because almost nobody does that. Everybody's doing things the old school way, and the people that hold the strings of a lot of investment firms are traditional, conservative, don't use media at all, don't adapt to new trends because they're doing so well the old way. That's how they think business has to be done. So there's a big opportunity for anyone out there who has new skill sets, new technology, media capabilities, and bringing those to the investment management industry to source deals, get great deal flow, source investors, build investor relationships, generate investor leads is a big opportunity. And I know at our workshops when we talk about thought leadership or writing a white paper or writing a book or putting together an educational folder or public speaking or having your own podcast, a lot of people are not going to do it, but it's the ones who do, you're going to get a big advantage. And we've had several people in our audiences do that and then close deals, raise more capital, and grow their investor base and deal flow because of taking action on items that others feel are tedious or take too much time or that are going to be hard for them to do. The fact that it's hard is where the value lies. If it wasn't hard, everyone would do it and it wouldn't be helping you at all. So I hope you found this helpful. If you want to learn more about our thinking on this topic, please check out our Family Office podcast and our two websites, capitalraising.com and familyoffices.com. Thank you.